Good morning and Assalamu alaikum to the students of level 6. This is me, Miss Sobia from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. Welcome to e-learning. The students of level 6, the chapter which we were doing in the physical classes was news report. Almost all the chapter has completed, but some of the workbook exercises were left. So we will cover some of the workbook exercises today. Now we will discuss the previous classwork, that was change direct speech into the reported speech. We have already done in the last class, and this is the time frame how we are going to change time period into the direct into the indirect speech, and these were the sentences that I have given you in the previous class to do in your exercise books. She says, I'm ill. She said, I buy a car. He said, my parents are well now. Ali said, I will study today. Salma said, I am learning the lesson. You will just look at these direct and the reported speech, the verb tense changes. Then you can do these sentences. First of all, identify the sentence, find out the tense and then change it. For example, the first sentence is present simple, it changed into past simple, but you can see that it is written says. Says is the present, so sentence will be remain in the present. Now move on to the grammar. Page number 140 in your exercise books. Page number 140 in your exercise book. This is the indirect speech given in your workbook. What you have to do? You have to read the following interview between a reporter and a man. Robbery has been done in one of the man's house. Now how he has entered in the house, the reporter has taken the interview from the man, as you can see that page number 140. This is the interview. You can see that reporter and the name of the person is Mr. Zoo has been written in the interview. Reporter said, what is your name? He replied, Mr. Zoo Farron. What do you do, Mr. Zoo? I am an artist. And how old are you? I am 32. How were you robbed? Now he is defining the incident, how the incident has happened. I am taking the lift up to the 10th floor just now when a robber took my money. When did this happen? At about 9:30. What happened exactly? I was entering a lift. A young man appeared and pointed a big knife at me. I started to scream. What happened then? The man shut up and told me to give him all my money. What did you do? I gave him all the money, of course. What did the robber do then? He ran away, leaving me in the lift. Reporter: what did the robber look like? I don't really remember, it happened so fast. Or I remember that he was quite tall and had hair that was dyed pink. Is there anything else you would like to tell me? Mr. Zoo said no. Now this is the incident happened of the robbery that was happened in the lift on the 10th floor. Now in this you have to tell all the incident and make a report. On the evening 21st of September 2001, Mr. Zoo Farron was taking up the lift at 10th floor at 9:30 p.m. You have to mention the location, the time, each and everything when the incident had happened. Now what has happened? You have to make the report. You have to convert the indirect speech. You have to convert the direct speech into the report writing. You have to write down the paragraph and explain this whole incident in report writing. For example, you are making the news report and you have to publish that in the newspaper. You have to make this report on page number 141. You have to tell all the incident defined by Mr. Zhu and write them in the paragraph. I hope that it is clear to you now. Do page number 141 of your workbook. Thank you to the students on level 6.